Students, topic of the video is quadratic equation. This is our fifth lecture on this topic. The 11th sum is from the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha and beta satisfy the relation alpha beta equal to 768 and alpha square plus beta equals to 1600. If roots of an equation is known, then equation should be x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. That means from those relations we have to find alpha plus beta. So alpha square plus beta square equals to 1600, and that can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta equal to 1600, and alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 into 768 equals to 1600. So alpha plus beta whole square equals to 1600 plus 2 into 768 16,31536 by adding 3136. So alpha plus beta is equals to square root of this one. So square root of this one is plus minus, so 3136 square root 66 5 square 25 carrying 636 5 10 double of 5 is 10 6 6 636. Okay, plus minus 56. Therefore sum of two roots is plus minus 56 and product of two roots is 768. Therefore required equation is x square minus sum of roots. Sum of roots is plus minus 56 x plus product of roots, that is 768, equal to 0. So finally is equals x square plus minus x plus minus 56x plus 768. Actually we find two equation by this. This is our final answer. And the next sum is from the quadratic equation whose roots are reciprocal of the roots of x square plus 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Here given equation is x square plus 3x plus 4 equal to 0. We solve this sum by two methods. First method is let alpha be a root of equation 1, then alpha square equation we get alpha square plus 3 alpha plus 4 equal to 0. Now we have to find another equation whose roots is reciprocal of these two. Let another root be y equals to or beta equals to 1 by alpha, reciprocal of this one. So alpha equals to 1 by beta. Then in equation 2 we replace alpha by 1 by beta. So 2 implies 1 by beta square plus 3 into 1 by beta plus 4 equal to 0. So by LCM beta square is there, 1 plus 3 beta plus 4 beta square is equals to 0. So 4 beta square plus 3 beta plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore required equation is four x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. This is our final answer. And the second method is of this sum let alpha beta be the roots of 1. Then alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a. So minus b is 3 by a is 1. So it equals to minus 3. Alpha into beta equal to c by a, 4 by 1, so 4. Now we have to find an equation whose roots are 1 by alpha and 1 by beta. So we have to find sum of these two roots and product of these two. So sum of these two roots is equals to alpha beta equal beta plus alpha. Here alpha plus beta is minus 3 and alpha beta is 4, and 1 by alpha into 1 by beta equals to 1 by alpha beta is equals to 1 by 4. So required equation is x squared minus sum of roots. Sum of roots is here there is a mistake, alpha plus beta is minus 3 and alpha and beta is 4. So sum of roots is minus of minus 3 by 4 into x, and product of roots is 1 by 4. This one equals to 0 by LCM of this one is 4x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal by 4 equal to 0. So finally 4x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. This is our final answer. And there is another way. This is kind of MCQ process, a short process. If we take common x square from this, so 1 plus 3 by x plus 4 by x square is equals to 0. So 4 by x square plus 3 by x plus 1 equal to 0. X is replaced by 1 by y, so y is replaced by 1 by x. So 1y is replaced by 4y square plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. This is our another way of to solve this sum. The next sum is if 3a square equal to 4a minus 5 and 3b square equal 4b minus 5, where a not equals to b, find the value of a square plus b square. Then the given relations can be written as 3a square minus 4a plus 5 equal to 0 and 3b square minus 4b plus 5 equal to 0. Now you see that if ax square bx plus c equal to 0 and alpha and beta be two roots of this equation, then alpha and beta should satisfy the equation. Then it can be written as a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0 and a beta square plus b beta plus c equal to 0. From this to this we can write. Then converse is also true. If we know that these two equation is valid, then from these two relation we can find an equation which is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 whose roots and alpha and beta. By this concept, applying on this, we can find an quadratic equation whose roots are alpha beta is 3x square minus 4x plus 5. Sorry, here roots are not alpha beta, roots are a and b, is 3x square minus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. Now you see that by this equation a, if we put a in the place of x, then we get this equation. If we put b in place of x, then you can get this equation. That means this is the quadratic equation whose roots are a and b. Therefore, sum of roots is equals to minus of minus b by minus b by a. Here b is minus 4 and a is 3, so 4 by 3, and AB is product of roots is equals to 5 by 3. Therefore, a square plus b square is equals to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So, a plus b equals to 4 by 3 whole square minus 2ab. 2ab here ab is 5 by 3. So, 3 square is LCM, that is 9, 4 square 16 minus 2 into 5 10, 10 into 3 30. So final answer is minus 14 by 9. In the next video on this topic we discuss few more sums.